Thompson has an unlocked.
Hey, darling, wake up! Wake up, darling! Hanging on that window.
This contact is authorized under the Community Caretaking Doctrine, established by the Supreme Court in Cady versus Dombrowski in 1973. No warrant, probable cause, or reasonable suspicion is required to approach a citizen in apparent distress. Through the window, officers observe open alcohol containers, a beer in the subject's hand, and fresh vehicle damage. Under Florida Statute, Chapter 316, Section 193, observable impairment alone establishes probable cause for DUI, no breathalyzer required.
Hey, how long has she been here?
A while. Because I DoorDashed and I was DoorDashing in this area. I'd say an hour.
Okay, you mind just hanging tight in your vehicle for me? She didn't even move when I bumped it or when you did. I do have a tool to break the glass if we need to. Hoping to try to wake her up. Yeah.
She holds a beer.
Yep.
Make sure that's on camera.
Oh yeah. There's another one in the center console. Beer in her hand. Looks like a Bud Light. A Bud Platinum. And then there's another one over there. Empty, sitting in the center console. So the call originally came out with the first time, saying that she walked into the gas station drunk.
Amy called me and told me, so.
Yeah.
Are you all the way up on her?
Yeah, I'm all the way up on her. Looks like she has hit something, because right up in here is busted up.
Oh, yeah.
And it's not where anything on mine touched it. So I don't know what she's hit. It looks like she has hit something. Yeah, I'd say she hit it hard because it's a tough vehicle. It says 0 sugar. It looks like a tall boy beer.
Yeah, it's probably one of those seltzer things that give you terrible headaches.
Yeah.
Man, she's passed out good.
Yeah. Okay, bud.
No Miranda warning applies at this stage. Miranda versus Arizona requires both custody and interrogation. Asking the subject to voluntarily perform field sobriety exercises meets neither condition. Field sobriety exercises are voluntary. Refusal carries no direct criminal penalty, but is admissible as consciousness of guilt. The subject agrees, then pushes Officer Kent before testing begins.
Thompson has an unlocked.
Hey, darling, wake up! Wake up, darling! Hanging on that window.
Wake up! Come on, Pensacola Police. Need you to wake up. Not since then.
Hey.
Wake up! I say she is passed out hard. Thompson's got an unlock kit if we want to do that instead of breaking a window. Yeah. Well, get a tow truck en route and they can unlock it for us. Yeah, she's still breathing. Is that belly breathing? Someone's trying to call her. There we go. Hey, open the door. Open the door, sweetheart. Yeah. Hey, I'm Officer Kent. Someone needs you to turn off your car, okay?
What did I do?
So you were passed out behind the wheel here for a good while. I do believe you are Driving while under the influence.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you willing to perform some standardized field sobriety exercises for me?
Are you gonna not take me to jail?
Ma'am?
Are you gonna take me to jail?
I need you to step on out for me.
I thought you.
No, do you want to perform the standardized field sobriety exercises?
Okay, let's do what we have to do. Come on, let's do it.
All right, go ahead, step on out.
7-2.
I gotta
Yeah, the
pee
vehicle
really
works.
bad.
Go ahead, step on out for me.
Still have to pee.
Okay, step on out. Still need to step out.
Well, can I piss
On
all
the
over the
CRV.
Step on out.
November Alpha 51.
All right.
I'm out with 196.
All right. So
You hate your job as much as I do.
still haven't gotten an answer from you. Are you willing to perform standardized field sobriety
Yes.
exercises? You are? Okay. All right. Let's find us a good spot for it.
I think this is perfect.
No, I don't want to risk you getting hit by a car. You see the way people drive, right?
They're fun.
You have your ID on you?
Well, shit. One would hope. This is my driver's license, right?
Okay.
I have been a sober person for a really fucking long time.
Go ahead and step back over this way.
Yep. Let's do it. Let's find a sober. Well, fuck. Where are you going to park? I mean,
Yeah, that's just in case your vehicle moves.
Yeah.
serious?
Trying to think what we got around here for a parking lot or something.
Probably.
How about here?
Hold up. Stay right here. Stay right here. Hey.
Okay.
All right, that's it. You're
you.
done.
Oh, because I.
Turn back around. Do not make this worse on yourself. It's already bad enough driving under the influence. Now you push the police officer. That's
You
battery.
can't be shoving us.
Oh,
going.
fuck that. Can I have my shoe? Or are you gonna fucking refuse me of that? Ah!
All right. Do you want your shoe back on?
Yes.
All right, put it back on. All right, do you have anything in your pockets? Anything that's going to poke me, stick me, stab me? Anything that's going to get
Yes.
you more trouble?
I am about to fucking blow the goddamn universe up.
Okay. Well, you have definitely urinated on yourself.
You guys are fucking crazier than I am.
Ma'am, step in there.
No!
All right, look.
No!
Here, I'll hold her if you want to just go to the other
right.
side.
No!
Ma'am, coming in one way or the other.
Oh, God, no! Get me out of this motherfucker!
Miss Michelle.
Get me out of there!
Miss Michelle.
Get me out of here!
Miss Michelle.
Oh, f*** you! F*** you and your
Sit
Miss
up.
Michelle!
Sit up. Okay.
Get me fucking
Quit hitting.
out of here!
Quit hitting the door of my car.
Oh, God, that hurts! Get me out of here!
Quit hitting the door of my car. I'm gonna have to put a hobble on your legs. All right. Cut it out. I'm trying to be polite to you. I've been polite this whole time.
You are not polite.
I'm very polite. So stop
Get
hitting
your
my
fucking
car.
phone out of my fucking face!
That's not a phone.
Whatever, get it out.
Stop pushing on my car. Stop hitting things. Stop
Let's
screaming.
go.
Stella Artois.
Let me talk to you. Let me talk to you. Please.
Miss Michelle, hold up. Can you talk to me without yelling and using profanity? Okay, I will talk to you here in a second. A second, 1 month, and a 2 month, and a 24-hour. Hold up, Miss Michelle. I'm getting your purse for you.
You never are
145.
receiving end.
Some more 911 hang up.
I appreciate that.
Street 123
All right.
District. Just an open line.
Get out!
I'll come get you out here in a second.
Oh, I bet you will. You
I gotta
motherfucker!
grab your stuff out of the back. There's no reason to talk that way. All right, let's go ahead and get on out. Well, go ahead and let's get on out.
This is not home.
Come on, come on. You're coming out of the back of the car.
No! You!
Look,
You!
you're making this worse. It doesn't need to be this way.
No!
You can come out.
No! 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 No!
Come on out. You're gonna fall and it's gonna hurt. All right, get your feet. Stand up. Stand up.
Just give me a minute. Give me a minute.
Let's go. Now you pissed me off.
I hope you kick you in your balls, you motherfucker. Fuck you.
Stop.
You.
Stop.
God damn it. You.
Stop. Now you just added another charge because you just hit another officer. You're getting 2 felonies and including your DUI.
Oh, God.
That single push
what
triggers
we got
Florida
around here.
Statute,
For a parking
Chapter
lot.
784, Section 0 to 7,
Hold up,
subsection
stay right here.
2B,
Stay right here.
battery on a law enforcement officer,
You're done.
third-degree felony,
Turn back around.
up to
Do not
5
this work on
years,
yourself.
no injury
It's already
required,
bad enough driving under the influence. Now you push the police officer. That's
Contact
battery.
against a uniformed officer in
that.
lawful duty satisfies the
Are you gonna
statute
fucking
entirely.
accuse me of-
The subject repeats the offense during transport, generating 2 independent felony battery
Let's
counts.
go.
Active resistance throughout the arrest adds
you
a
pissed me
third
off.
charge under Section 843.0 to 1, resisting an officer with violence, also a third-degree felony. Refusing chemical testing invokes
Grab your
Florida's
stuff out of the back.
Implied Consent Law,
There's no reason to talk
Chapter
that way.
316, Section
Go ahead, get on
1932. Any person operating a vehicle
Well, go ahead and let's get on
in
out.
Florida has pre-consented to
Come on.
lawful testing
Come on.
upon DUI
You're coming out of
arrest.
the back of the car.
Refusal triggers an automatic 1-year license suspension independent of any
Look.
criminal outcome.
You're making.
The Supreme Court confirmed
You're
in
in
Birchfield versus North Dakota
Looks like a
in
Bud Light.
2016
Bud Platinum.
that a breath test incident to a lawful
there.
DUI arrest requires no
center console.
warrant. The implied consent framework is
originally came out with the
constitutionally
first time.
sound.
Coming out of the back of the
Officers
car.
applied soft and hard empty hand control, only no taser, no OC. Spray
Look.
despite active battery.
You're making this worse.
Under
It doesn't
Graham
need to be
versus
this way.
Connor, decided
You
in
can come out.
1989. Force is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on scene.
Come on out. You're gonna fall and it's
All
gonna
3
hurt.
Graham factors, offense,
All right, get your
severity,
feet.
active,
Stand up.
resistance, ongoing threat support the
Stand
level
up.
of force used.
Your vehicle
Upon
front.
impoundment, the vehicle is subject to a lawful inventory search, established in South Dakota
She didn't
versus
even move
Opperman in
when I bumped the door when you
1976.
did.
No
I do have
warrant
a tool to
needed.
break the glass if we need
All
to.
visible evidence, including the
break her
open
up.
containers,
Yeah.
is fully admissible. Outcome.
Hey,
The
the
subject
door.
pleaded guilty to DUI, 2 felony battery
Open the door,
counts,
sweetheart.
and resisting with violence were
Hey,
dismissed after
I'm
1
Officer
year
Kent.
of
Someone needs you to turn
probation.
off your car, okay?
License restored at 6 months. A
So you were
result
passed out behind the wheel here for a
considerably
good
more
while.
favorable than the
I do
full
believe
charge
you were
exposure warranted.
driving.
Officer Kent receives a B+. Professional demeanor throughout, proportionate, force, correct legal basis at every stage. 1 sequencing error, announcing, DUI suspicion before completing field sobriety evaluation. Minor procedurally, not a constitutional violation. The subject receives a D, physical contact with an officer twice converted, a DUI into a multi-felony case instantly. The favorable plea reflects prosecutorial discretion, not mitigation of conduct. 3 takeaways. 1. Under Chapter 784, Section 0 to 7, touching an officer is a felony. No injury, no force threshold. The act itself is the offense from the very
Yeah, I'm all
first
the way up
contact.
there.
2.
Hey, open the door.
Implied consent is binding. Refusing a breath test
Open the door,
does not
sweetheart.
avoid. On
Yeah.
consequences,
Hey,
it guarantees
I'm
a
Officer Kent.
1-year
Someone needs you to turn off your
administrative
car, okay?
suspension that runs regardless
So
of how
you were
the
passed out
criminal
behind the
case
wheel here for a
ends.
good.
3. The caretaking doctrine cuts both ways. It allows contact without
All right.
suspicion,
So-
but everything
Still
observed
haven't
during
gotten,
that contact is usable to
An answer
build
from you. You willing to perform
probable
standardized field
cause.
sobriety exercises? You
A
are?
welfare
Okay.
check becomes
All right.
a DUI
Find us a good
arrest the
spot
moment
for it.
officer sees what is
No, I
inside
don't want.
the
I don't want to
vehicle.
risk you getting.
Yes.
Let us know
All
if
right,
there
put
is
it
an
on.
interaction or
All right, do
legal
you have anything in
topic
your
you would
pocket?
like
Anything's gonna poke me,
analyzed.
stick me, stab me?
In the
Anything's gonna get
comments
you
below.
more
I am
Thank
about
you for
to
watching, and don't
blow
forget
the
to check
goddamn
out
universe
our
up.
second channel,
Oh, you heard
Street
that?
Body
Urinated
Cam,
myself.
for more police
You guys are
interaction
fucking
and
crazier
courtroom
than I
content.
am.